Yo, good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this YouTube video. Today in this video, yeah, I'll be doing a top-down analysis on Euro USD. Okay. Well, I know it has been a while I dropped some video, but mind you, we have been like working in the background. So I've actually been trading for a while. All updates has been dropping on our Telegram channel. So if you're not in this Telegram channel, the link will be at the video description. Do well to join our Telegram channel. So the last trade was in profit. It was a 100 pips trade, which led in passing a funded at 10k fund account. This was the trade. Once I go to the chart, I'll still show you guys. So we took the trade around here. So its price actually went very low to our take profit stop loss, but actually end up smashing the TP. Now holding from here to here was not easy, but this retracement will actually make you change your thoughts. So that is why most times I would say compounding, helps the account to probably taking and closing. But I wasn't really active watching the chart, so I just left everything to run. I did not take any partials or anything. So held, saw this retracement down to this new week opening gap, then finally smashed take profit. So that is that for this trade. So everything was actually dropped here on Telegram. If you come to our Telegram channel, you see that all trades were actually drops. You understand? So actually, yeah. So okay, look at the account here. So this is making 5% of a $10,000 account in just few trades. Look at the 100 pips trade, down from 0.6 to 0.7. You can see it here. So eliminating the swap fee and everything, that was what made the profit 479.50 cents actually. So yeah, so this was the buy and this was the peak scalp in the sell to meet the target. You understand? So excluding the swaps, only this trade alone would have met this target, but due to the swap fee, because this trade I held it for days, I held it for like a week or so. I held it for like a week, you understand, to achieve that 100 pips move. You understand? So yeah. So that is that. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive into the main video for today. Yeah. Okay. So this Euro USD. This Euro USD chart. Give me a minute. Yep. Yeah. So this is Euro USD. Let's go over to the daily time frame. So I'll show you guys what I'm looking at. So now, sorry, looking at Euro USD. Okay, as you can see the yeah. So this is the 100 pips trade we took the last time. Price has actually been on a massive move. Let me check. Let me just check. Although I saw this as a clear target, but remember, 100 pips was my profit. You know, that was my analysis. So I just have to stick with it. So after hitting an TP, just take it and go. So this is around 260 pips. That is extra 160 pips to the upside to take out this size. So once this highs has been taken out now, you expect a retracement, then a continuation, because this is actually what a break of structure. This is clearly a break of structure, you understand. So once price have break structure higher, expect a retracement, then a continuation. But without that, you also have to focus on what the XY also. So looking at the XY right here, you see that yeah, price actually the XY is actually what somehow bearish. So price is moving lower. This is on the daily time frame, remember. So looking at the XY right here, see that the price is actually what broke structure lower, retrace, then you anticipate a continuation. But before any continuation, you can see this fair value gap here on the daily. So expecting price to actually move up a bit to like mitigate it. You understand? So this upward move in the XY will also lead to what more downside on Euro USD currently. You understand? Most times intermarket analysis they tend to correlate, whereas most times you might just see. So actually you can see Euro USD is coming lower to actually mitigate this FVG you're seeing right here. So let me highlight that so that you can see that clearly. So as you can see here, there's a fair value gap here. So anticipating price to come here before continuation is ideal. Many people be like, what about this lower? Most times when you break down lower, you see that it's actually a complete price action. Like everything was balanced, as you can see. Okay, well, so that is it. But for now, after taking that win on EURUSD, I just had to like observe the market for a while. I've not really been active, but I'll be very, very back. In fact, I am back, guys. So do well to like, subscribe, and share this YouTube video. More content will be dropping. I'll be doing a backtesting video very, very soon. So yeah, so this is EURUSD on the 4-hour time frame. Not looking to take any trades today because today is Monday, and today is actually the first day of the week. So we don't really expect or anticipate much liquidity in the much volatility, sorry, in the market. Okay, so yeah, that is that for now. So let's look at GBPUSD. Let's look at GBPUSD right now. So looking at GBPUSD, you can see it's a similar price action with EURUSD. You will see that it's a similar price action with EURUSD. You can see. Let's move to GBPUSD on the daily time frame so that you see what I'm talking about clearly. As you can see, so GBPUSD also took out this high, breaking structure higher, retracing for a continuation. But now, remember this retracement now, for you to actually know the OTE, you have to really draw from, let's say, from the low of the swing to the high. So from the low of the swing to the high, look at where the OTE comes in for GBPUSD. So this is around 1.27250. Let's just say 1.27250. And over here you can see that it's also a fair value gap right here. So yeah, so taking this downward move for GBPUSD, anticipating price to come down this low, that means you can take this sell now if you choose to, then for a continuation. But remember, since you actually see you have seen that yes, price is actually trying to come back to ATE, as price actually broke structure higher. This is a break of structure higher. Let me highlight that so that you can see that clearly. Yeah, I want to use the line. So yeah, so as you can see, this is a break of structure right here. Okay, so break of structure, price retracing to OTE, that is 0.79 of the fifth, then continuation. But remember, once price takes out this low, then this buys has been like I'll not be looking for this, but I'll not be looking out for anticipating these buys anymore. So I'll just wait for a pullback to continue the downtrend, right? So but for now you taking a sell here, probably putting your stop loss above here, is currently IG, but it's not a financial advice, by the way, because I'm not really taking the trades right now. Yeah, so this is my analysis on GBPUSD currently. I'll rather wait for price to come here to give me a very strong confirmation to like go all in for this buys. So I'll be looking out to take this trade on GBPUSD very soon. Then I'll also be updating you guys. Or if you actually want the real life updates and everything, you do well to join our Telegram channel, because that is where I'll be dropping this. I can just capture then post on Telegram. You understand? So which I'll be doing right away, because I'll be updating my Telegram is always updated more than YouTube currently, because trust me, making all these videos on YouTube is not really that easy. Yeah, so that is it for now. This is what I'm looking at for GBPUSD, and this is probably similar with what I'll be looking at on EURUSD. So a retracement, then a continuation. You understand? So most times it's best you follow the trend. Yes, we know it's retracing low, but most times it doesn't really mean you have to like take the sales and everything. Most times you can still wait for price to come to your entry before you take the trade. You understand? You don't really I just prefer following the trend. So I'll be looking for buys on EURUSD right now, not really sales. Although I know it's gonna come down to OTE, but doesn't mean I'll take the sales to OTE. You understand? So that is just my own principles, I would say. So once again, thank you for watching this YouTube video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, bye bye.